we'll guide you through how to manage ClickUp emails effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open the ClickUp website on your desktop and log into your account. Once you're in, head over to the top right corner and click on your profile avatar. From the menu that appears, select Notifications. This is where you can manage all your email settings. You'll see a section labeled Email Notifications. Here, you can customize which emails you receive by toggling the switches next to each option, such as task assignments, comments, or reminders. If you want to streamline your notifications, you can also set up filters. Click on Manage Filters to choose specific criteria like priority levels or due dates that will affect which notifications you get. Keep in mind, customizing these settings can help reduce email clutter and ensure you only get the most relevant updates. If you want to set a schedule for receiving emails, check out the Batch Emails option. This allows you to receive all your notifications in a single email, either daily or weekly, which can be a real-time saver. Once you've configured your settings, make sure to click Save Changes at the bottom to ensure everything is updated. By managing your ClickUp emails this way, you can stay organized and focused on what's important without getting overwhelmed by unnecessary notifications. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.